everyone. This tutorial is about the characteristics of viruses and their mechanism of action or reproduction. Viruses are the smallest type of microbe. They are approximately 1/1,000,000th of a millimeter in length and consist of a strand of genetic information that can be an RNA or DNA. It is surrounded by a protein coat. Moreover, the virus can have an attachment proteins which allow them to attach to the host cells. Moving to the virus's reproduction. Viruses need a host in order to replicate. That is why they are called non-living infectious agents. They release poisons, they invade tissues, and take over the cells, making millions of copies of themselves inside the cells. The reproductive rate inside cells is rapid, as is the speed at which they damage these cells. They completely take over the cell metabolism. The virus then uses the host cell to make new viruses which then burst out of the cell. Examples of viral infections include HIV, AIDS, and SARS. Moving to the uses of viruses. Viruses are now being used for different purposes. For example, adenovirus is currently being trialed as a means of gene delivery for gene therapy.